Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll provide a beginner-friendly guide on how to activate an Xbox gift card step by step. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to redeem your gift card. Step 2. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then navigate to the Store tab. Step 3. Select Use a Code from the menu. This will open a screen where you can enter your Xbox gift card code. Step 4. Scratch off the protective coating on the back of your physical card to reveal the 25-character code. For digital cards, copy the code from your email or online receipt. Step 5. Carefully enter the code exactly as shown. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as these will prevent activation. Step 6. Press Next to submit the code. The system will verify it and add the gift card balance to your Microsoft account. Step 7. Confirm your updated balance by checking your account under My Games and Apps or the Account section. Your Xbox gift card is now ready to use for games, subscriptions, and other purchases. That's it. Following these steps allows beginners to activate an Xbox gift card quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.